I do want to give a shout out to Davis Fleetwood. His particular post yesterday posted the number to Congress, which is, that number is 202 224 3121. Tell them no more funding for war. No more funding for war. I just wanted to repeat that a little bit. Ow! Is another fall. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another fall.